Okay, so as you can see, on this leftmost wall, I went ahead and just went through the same process as on the right wall to determine the door, the arch, the depth, etc. So the last thing we really need to do to wrap this up is we need to draw this cylindrical portion of the building, which we can see is cylindrical from the top view, um, as all we're kind of seeing as a rectangle from the side. So that's why sometimes it's nice to have both points of view or both references. And then the last thing we need to do is draw this dome on top. So to be able to achieve this, we need to kind of box things out. Box it out generally once again. And to do that most successfully, I'm going to box it out from the point that's closest to us in space. The anchor point and also the points that kind of correspond with these primary orthogonals. So establish this new height line, and I'm going to draw that back to both of my vanishing points. From the edge of the foundation, I'll go ahead and draw upwards to these new orthogonals. Go ahead and close in the top of this box here. Alright, so now on this height line, from a point that kind of corresponds with the top of this square portion of the building, I'll go ahead and draw back to my vanishing points. Now you'll notice that spatially, these new orthogonals that I just drew in, aren't the same set of orthogonals that make up the edge of this building, because spatially they relate to the foundation, and that's important to note. Alright, the next thing we need to do is kind of set up another set of orthogonal lines that correspond with the height of this cylinder. Alright, and I'll just go ahead and box out each height level. Okay, now since things are starting to visually get a little busy, I'm just going to clean up some of these extraneous lines.